Want to learn how to use ChatGPT? Whether you're writing content, learning new skills, brainstorming ideas, coding, or getting everyday help, ChatGPT makes it easy to complete a wide variety of tasks with AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can access your chats, projects, and available tools. If you don't have an account yet, create one before continuing. Next, click New Chat and type your question or request into the message box. You can ask ChatGPT to explain concepts, write content, solve problems, generate ideas, summarize information, and much more. Yeah, clear and detailed prompts usually produce better responses. If your account supports it, upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, or images to give ChatGPT additional context. You can then ask questions about the uploaded content or request summaries and analysis. Providing relevant files often leads to more accurate and helpful answers. Instead of starting over, ask follow-up questions to refine the response. You can request rewrites, additional examples, simpler explanations, or more detailed answers. Take a moment to build on the conversation until you get exactly what you need. Explore features like projects, GPTs, voice conversations, image generation, or other available tools depending on your account and subscription. New features are added regularly, so it's worth checking what's available. Keep your conversations organized by giving chats clear titles, using projects when appropriate, and reviewing previous conversations whenever you need them. So you've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT, and that's how to use ChatGPT. Whether you're learning, writing, coding, researching, or solving everyday problems, ChatGPT can become a powerful AI assistant for both personal and professional tasks. The more specific your prompts and the more you explore its features, the more value you'll get from every conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.